Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video as a last week, a weekly recap. Um, I didn't get the chance to make this video earlier, so now I'm making it. So let's get started. The first trade last week was on the 25th September, EUR-AUD for 60 pip. Buy order is right there. SL moved to break even plus, and this was the entry here. And all the entries you will see are by the book with the setup. Without the setup, I don't do anything. By the way, not only the setup, but these entries are taken by the EA, by my EA expert advisor robot. So I have to have the setup with 4 conditions, and then my EA opens up the trade. Right. So this is the first one, EUR-AUD 25. On the 25th, and then on the 25th, EUR-AUD again. What the first one was EUR-AUD, yeah. It was from the 20-minute chart, and then this is a second one from 7 when it was coming down again the same day. Sell order here, and this one, let's say on the 25th, EUR-USD for 65 pip. This is the sell order. Here you can see USD yen. USD was getting weaker, so EUR-USD, pound USD were going down. USD CAD, USD yen was going up. So this is a by the book entry here again, and on the 25th for 85 pip. This is pound USD. Like I said, that USD was getting strong. It's still getting strong today, as of today, right? Tuesday, October the 3rd. It's still very, very strong. So all of these things are trending in this direction. 4 USD pairs are going down, 3 going up. So now here, this one, pound USD, 7-minute chart entry, all the way to 55 pip. This one, Euro CAD. Euro is also very weak, so this is what's happening. Sell order, buy the book entry, 110 pip here on the 27. The 27, Aussie USD here, 90 pip, all the way down here. And this one long for 75 pip. This is pound Aussie, buy order right there on the 27. And this one is on the 28, EUR-AUD, beautiful short setup here, 90 pip to the downside. And then New Zealand to the upside for 100 pip, long entry. Most of these entries are taken by my EA robot, which is available on my website now. For years I didn't put it on, but now my son decided to sell it, so it's available for anyone who wants to buy it. So go on my website and check it out. Now, as far as this week, Monday and Tuesday, these are the few trades taken. Gold trades on the 2nd October, Monday, yesterday. This entry was, by the way, from the last week, Friday, and then continue to the downside. The reason I held it for from Friday till now, and I have another one running. So it is because of. Let me show you the chart. My chart was this. My second scenario was that if we're gonna go below, stay below 1959 and go down, we're gonna go to 1802. So right now where we are here. You see that? We already broke below 1877, and then we are very close to this target hit. So I have this trade also open, and that one closed already, but this is my TP is at 1802. And as soon as we hit that, we're gonna close it, right? So this is what's happening here with gold. And then another trade yesterday on the 2nd October was pound USD. Still USD very strong. So this pound USD, Euro USD keep going down, and this is by the book, beautiful entry, short entry all the way down. This was also taken by my robot, and this one I put it on the Telegram. It's still there. I can show you here. You see, I see this entry here, pound USD, and I placed here my EA made this entry and placed DSL already, right? So this is done by my EA, and then this is how it went down, and then all the way 405. Then I closed it. So yeah, very, very nice trade. Now this one, and then let me see the other one. Today I got red news came out for Aussie dollar a little while ago, a few hours ago. And these were the setup were already built before, and then after news, this is what happened. Pound Aussie went up, Aussie got weaker, and then boom, 120 pip trade. And Euro Aussie also, because of the Aussie weakness, boom, it went up. Right, so 120 pips. This is, I just closed these two trades, and these were the entries taken by my EA robot. So like I said, that if you like what you saw, you want to get a hold of this robot, then you can go on my website or email me and I'll explain you how it works. And then you decide, right? So this is how I just want to share. Yeah, you saw the Telegram, and yeah, this is the name of my website, creativetradingsystems.com. So you can go there and see how you can subscribe, or even if you want to learn from A to Z by, you know, like one-on-one coaching. I have a course over there where I teach over the Zoom for 10-hour course. Right, you can become a lifetime member as well. So yeah, this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week.